Hey, AI Jedi here again. In the previous video, I mentioned that we were going to extract frames from videos and send them to the OpenAI API. And here's how you do that, actually. All right, so we import CV2, we import OpenAI, the base 64 again to encode, just like the last video. Also import the operating system, and again, we'll import load underscore dotenv for the environmental variable for the API key. So you recognize this from the last video, all of this stuff here. Now, you even probably recognize something similar, how we encoded the images as a base 64 string. Here's where it's a little bit, here's how we take a video and extract the frames. So I've already, let me move this over here and this over here. Okay. You remember that in the Google Colab in the content folder, we had the OpenAI underscore API underscore key file. We also had the vehicle that we did the OpenAI call on. But also now I just uploaded a video called warehouse.mp4. It's just an MP4 file. What we're going to do is we're going to extract every third frame of that and send it as a picture to OpenAI and get an analysis on it. So here we'll do the video capture. So this line is important, obviously. Well, let me back up. Video path. Go ahead and once you upload it, get your path and insert your path there for whatever video you want to analyze. Got some error handling here. Okay, now we're going to do a loop. And what that loop is going to do, it's going to grab every third frame of our video. Now, if you wanted to change this to every fifth frame, you could do that, every 10th frame. If you think about it, if you're looking at a video with 30 frames per second, you do not want to be sending, you'll be getting for every second of video, 30 seconds divided by 3, you'll be getting 10 images to send to OpenAI's API. That'll cost you like, it's actually really small, it's a penny, but it can add up if you're watching some big video and you let this thing loop through. So we'll do every third frame. Because I'm using an MP4 file, the frame rate is actually not 30 frames per second. So I'll be sending for every second, maybe 2 frames or something like that up. Okay. Again, same thing as before. The model is GPT, and that is not a 0, that is an O on your keyboard for OMNI. And now we're going to send, here's the command to send the frames inside this loop. We're going to send every third frame to the OpenAI API. And we're going to get a response. In this case, I'm saying because it's a warehouse, it's footage of a warehouse and stuff going on in a warehouse, I'm saying you are a warehouse manager. You are good at spotting safety hazards and operational issues within warehouse environments. Here is a video frame. Here is a video frame. What do you see? So now, when we run that, it's going to loop through the whole video. When it's done, it's going to release itself from the video capture down here. And then it's going to say video processing complete. So this is how you extract frames from a video and send them to the OpenAI API. Here we go. Let's see what happens. Might take a second. It's looping through the video. Oh, okay. It's already taken frame 1. It's actually not, it's the third frame, right? So, okay. It's overall active use, some areas. It's doing an analysis on each frame. Wow. Safety and operational recommendations. It's still going too. I'm not sure how long the MP4 file was. Let's see. It should be, can't be that long. Should be done soon here. Okay, that was on, it took 5 frames so far. 6 frames. A pallet jack is visible near the worker. Interesting. Okay. It's still going. The floor space is relatively clear. So you could actually be analyzing this information in real time based on these answers and creating logic to handle it and send alerts to your phone or via email or what have you to tell you if something's happening. So this is a really cool way to analyze video. Oh, that was frame 9. Now I'm really curious. How many more does it have to go? Frame 10. Okay. All right. Well, I don't want to keep you. I don't know how long this is going to go. Again, I'm AI Jedi. Please subscribe and like this video. I'll produce more videos here shortly about AI computer vision, some really cool things that you can do. Thanks. See you in the next video.